finally kind of making it all the way outside, except for taking the dog out. And so I have one less greenhouse. I couldn't get out to get everything off. So this is actually the 10 by 30 greenhouse. It means my onions are safe, I guess. So I'm getting ready to clear snow off of the 16 by 40. So some of it came off, but I'm going to grab a actual broom. I have a big dust broom. And it looks like I have to let somebody out. I thought I saw a bird in here. There he is. Well, at least he's warm and he had stuff to eat. Have no idea how he got in. Must have got in at the bottom. Yeah, he got in through one of the holes. So let me go ahead and get the snow off everything, and I'll just take some pictures. But yeah, I don't think there's any saving that. I don't even think I'm gonna try at this point. So 16 by 40 fine. And other than a few tears, which I have some greenhouse fabric to fix that, let me go ahead and see if I can get him out. And he probably could live out the whole winter in there, because I know there are some bugs in there. But we definitely don't want to do that. So let's unzip this so he can get out. I'm sure somebody somewhere is looking for him. So he can get out. So I'll come back after I kind of curl this up and then shoo him out so he can be safe.